What's up? This is Ganesh and let's get into the topic. In this video, I'll tell 10 tips and tricks about WhatsApp. You must use them in WhatsApp. Let's get into the topic. And the first thing, guys, this is the first trick. You all know that somebody will message you like bold letters. In this video, let's see how we can type bold letters. Firstly, you have to open the keyboard and you have to enter the star. First, you have to enter star and you have to type the message, and then you have to enter the another star at the end. Then the words will be bold. The another person also can see that. And the next thing is, if you see underline, and you have to type the message, and if you type another underline, the words will be italic, they will be crossed. And the next thing is type button. You have to type that and you have to type the message what it is, and you have to enter that another button at the last, the type button. The word will be crossed or underlined or striked. Like this you can send messages from any devices, in any devices, like in WhatsApp or in Instagram, anything. And it can be also used in iOS and an Android, in any device. This is the first 3 tricks. And next thing is low data usage. If you turn on this, you can save up to 40% data. It won't consume high data, and you can also reduce cost data by using this low data mode. And another thing is WhatsApp web. If you want to use your WhatsApp on the desktop, or if you want to use your WhatsApp in another phone, you can use this. You have to scan the code. If you go to the WhatsApp website, it will show the code. You have to scan that. And the next thing is pop-up notification. Some of you don't know this, and if you go to settings and notifications, you will find this. It will pop up, and there are 3 options: only when screen is off, screen is on, and when screen is totally off, always. If I type a message, it will pop up on the lock screen, and you can send replies from here only. You don't have to unlock the screen. Any message, you can send messages and you can reply to any message. And next thing is also, you can send messages from group also. You can have pop-up notifications from group also. I will show you in that second. You have to go to the WhatsApp and same as settings and notifications, and to the pop-up notifications. You have to go to the groups. In the group you will find pop-up notification. You have to enable it, and you can get messages from only one person. And this is, guys, these are the top 10 tricks and tips in the WhatsApp, and you must use them. They'll be very fun and they'll be very fantastic. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is Ganesh, and see you in this tiny little world. Peace.